In today's video, I'm going to show you a super simple, slightly weird affiliate marketing strategy that will make you a boatload of money. You don't need a single thing other than your device, a working internet connection, and the step-by-step instructions that I'll be breaking down for you in this short video. If you like the sound of today's method, smash that like button and let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is choose an affiliate marketplace. It doesn't matter which one, whether it's Digistore24, Clickbank, or any other affiliate marketing website. Now, as an example, I will be using Digistore24.com because it's available worldwide, unlike Clickbank. So, Digistore24 hopefully works in your country as well. So all you gotta do is come over to Digistore24.com or Clickbank.com and register. Click on the Register Now button, and there's some basic information about yourself that you need to fill in. And once you do that, you can log into your affiliate account. And once you log in here, on the left-hand side, you will be able to select some of these categories and select your niche. You have all sorts of different niches, but I will be going through business and investment as an example. And then once you select your niche, that's going to show you different products, and it's going to show you exactly how much you will be paid to promote each of these products. For example, this first product right here will pay me up to almost $300 per sale that I influence through this affiliate link. Now all you gotta do is click on Promote Now to some offer that you want to promote, and that's instantly going to give you your special affiliate link, which you can copy and share with other people. Now as an example, I will be promoting this product right here, which once again pays me almost $300 per person that I refer. So I will grab my affiliate link here. Now, I do want to show you something important. So if you go to Google and we paste our affiliate link into the search bar, you will be able to see that this includes your affiliate tracking code and your username right here. And that's how Digistore will know that you are influencing a sale, and that's how they will know if they should actually pay you out for that sale or not. And so, when someone goes to your affiliate link with this affiliate tracking code included, they will be redirected to a sales page which you are promoting. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to go to web2pdf.com and you want to paste your affiliate link in this box right here and click on Word. And what that will do is that will transform that sales page, that web page, into a PDF document. And you will see exactly how that will help you make money online with affiliate marketing. But for right now, you want to wait until this tool transforms your web page into a PDF document, and once that has been completed, you can download your PDF file by clicking on this arrow pointing down, and you can open up the PDF version of the sales page by clicking on the downloaded file right here. So now, as you can see, this is the full sales page, but it has been transformed into a PDF document. Now the next thing that you want to do is you want to go back to your affiliate link and open up that sales page. So once you go to your affiliate link, you want to open up the sales page and you want to find a call to action button that people will need to click in order to sign up to that particular offer. In my case, that's going to be this button right here that says click here to sign up right now. And they can click on this and that's going to take them to the checkout page where they can purchase this product and I will make a commission. Now, once you click on that button or that link through your affiliate link, they will also include your affiliate code right here. If it doesn't, just make sure to add your Digistore username right here. So if you don't see your username, just type it in manually. So in my case, I would need to type in Online Hustle right here. And that will mean that when someone goes to this checkout page, if they fill out the details and pay for this course, I will earn a commission because my affiliate code is attached to this link. So I will now copy this link for the checkout page instead of the sales page, and then I would need to go to this platform right here in order to edit my PDF. So I will click on Edit a PDF document. It's absolutely free. I will upload a PDF file which I previously generated. That's going to look something like this. And now I can start including different buttons and links to this PDF document. So I can edit this as I like. And what I will do is first add some text. For example, I'm going to type in click here to get instant access or something like that. I will make sure that this is bigger, so I will increase the font size and I will maybe make it bold and also maybe change the color to red just to make sure that this stands out. And now what I want to do is I want to click on links right here and I want to highlight this text. And I will then paste the checkout link in this box where it says link to external URL. what that will do is they will add my checkout page, a link with affiliate code attached to this PDF document. So while someone is reading this PDF document, they can see the huge call to action that says click here to get instant access. And when they click on that, they will not be redirected to the sales page, but they will immediately go to the checkout page where they can purchase and we will earn a commission. Just make sure to include as many of these different call to actions as you can, because that will allow you to maximize your results, because maybe someone is going to miss that. So I would honestly add at least like 5 to 10 different call to actions. And once again, you repeat the same process. You click on text, you select some blank area, you type in click here to get instant access. Then you just click on links, you highlight that part of the text, you paste the checkout link in this box, and that's it. So once again, while someone is reading this PDF document, they will see the huge call to action. And when they click on that, we will earn a commission if they purchase the product. Now, it's really important that you click on Apply Changes right here. Click on Apply Changes, and now our task is processing, so we can download the edited version of this PDF document that includes our checkout page in it. So now I'll download that. And now I'm going to show you how to actually start getting free traffic to that PDF document so you can start to make money online with affiliate marketing. Now, the website that we will be using to drive traffic and make money online for free is called slideshare.net. This is a website where you can share your PDF document. And SlideShare is, according to SimilarWeb, being visited by over 100 million people every single month. That's a lot of free traffic that you can get from a single website, where you can just sign up for absolutely free by clicking on the sign up button right here. Then you can sign up with Google or Facebook, or just sign up with email. Once you sign up, you can click on the upload button right here, and you can upload the PDF document, which includes your call to action and the checkout page link. So I'll wait until the edited PDF file loads, and then I will give it a title. So maybe I'm going to say, in this case, how if you make money with crypto or something like that, because that's what the sales page of that product is about. This shows people how to make money with crypto and then redirects them to some course that they can buy to learn more about crypto. So I would give this PDF document a title, How to Make Money with Crypto in 2022, and I will give it a brief description. Maybe I'm going to say, learn the best strategy for making money with cryptocurrency in 2022. For category, I can select business, and I'm also going to type in crypto make money online. I will click on I'm Not a Robot, and now I can publish it to hundreds of millions of people that are visiting slideshare.net every single month. And they can read my PDF document, and inside of that PDF document, they can click on the call to action to get instant access, and I will make money. In this case, I'll be making almost $300 per person that I refer, which means I need less than 10 people per week in order to make $2,500 per week in pure profit and for absolutely free. Now, that obviously doesn't happen overnight. It takes a lot of time and effort, and you should pump as many affiliate offers and as many PDF documents as you can to maximize your results and make more money. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you've learned something of value, then be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.